Hello, and welcome to NoCodeNerd episode 27. Today we're talking about Coda. This is going to be a little bit of a short episode. I wish I knew what I could do with this more, because there is so many possibilities. There are so many possibilities of what this tool kind of offers. Coda is basically like Notion. If you've ever seen Notion, right? super powered workspace that lets you just create your own data, move your own docs around, very smooth, very sexy. I use Notion to run my entire life, essentially. All my information about everything that I'm doing is on Notion. But Coda is like Notion on data steroids. It's meant to import all sorts of different data from all sorts of different places. So check this out. My voting table, project overview. If I just click / I can create a checklist, an image, a mention. I can create a new page or a new table. Let's create a new page. This is whatever. So if we go back to our original page, now we click on whatever and it goes to whatever, right? Very simple. So I create new pages. In whatever, I want to create, let's say something like, I want to import some data from somewhere else, right? So I can keep scrolling down and I can pull in information from my Gmail, right? I can pull in messages or threads. That's not what I want to show. I want to show like actual emails. So I think I would actually have to sync my Gmail, which I have not done yet. I can pull in information from a bunch of different places. I can create buttons. I can pull in stuff from Google Docs. I can even pull in stuff from Notion or Trello or CSVs. I can create, let's say, like a new little button. This button does something crazy. I'm just going down the rabbit hole right now, right? But if you need to import data into one place and create automations within that data across different data sets, as well as just run like your doc life or all the information you ever wanted to kind of house on one place, Coda's got you covered. Coda is insane. I've seen people build unbelievable automated like worksheets with this thing. If you can't tell, I don't even know where to go with it. It's absurd. So if you've done something with Coda, or you want me to look into a little bit on how it might be able to help you, I'm a little bit at a loss because this it just goes on and on and on. But I do know if you have data problems, Coda's going to be able to solve it. So let me know if you have any questions, either how I can help you or how I can learn more about it. But yeah, Coda's great. I'll see you in the next episode.